This is the second rose arch or arbor that I've built. So what I've done, as you can see, to speed up the process, I use cable tie. And this is a hazel which we have in allotment. As you can see, it looks gorgeous. It's completely symmetrical. And as you can see, this is the rose arch from the above. To give it lateral strength and shock-proof it, put this X-shaped buttresses. Joints anyway. The same on this side. So all in all, I expect it to be very strong. We can add another X-shaped trusses here and just make it extra strong. I wanted to keep it light. Now probably I will do it actually, like that one that I did there. Just joining twigs together and make them strong by a little cable tie. Okay, I've now done these two parts and completely the structure is solid, stable, rock solid. Okay, this rose arch is now complete. Practically there is no much difference between this rose arch that I built with a suspension bridge in a way. And when the rose comes on it, it will be like those cables holding it. And the experience I gained from the first rose arch or garden arch that I built, I use it in this one, and I may improve that other one based on what I have learned from here. The whole structure is based on these pins which we use from allotment. They're very versatile, so nothing of the wood goes inside the soil, otherwise it rots. So pin is inside the ground and the rest is above the ground. I left the twigs and other things hanging from it just to give it a rustic look. And it hides also the cable ties in a way, it distracts the attention. So I'm going now to harvest a few of these flowers for home.